Namaste, good afternoon. Thank you, Dr. Rao. Thank you, Baba Sahib Ambedkar College, for this absolutely wonderful initiative that you have taken today. And I'm extremely honored and very grateful that you have given me an opportunity to come here and share some thoughts around couple of things. Now, मैं जानता हूँ कि बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं यहाँ पर और सुबह से कोई ना कुछ आपको समझा रहा है, आपसे कुछ बातें कर रहे हैं, मैं भी थोड़ा कुछ समझाने आया हूँ. सो एक स्टूडेंट होने का एक फ़ायदा ये होता है कि आपका कॉलेज लाइफ अच्छा होता है, मज़ा आता है. और दूसरा एक नुकसान ये भी है कि हम जैसे लोग आके आपको बहुत ज्ञान देते हैं, राइट. सो बट द गुड न्यूज़ इज़ my Gyan session is only for 10 minutes. So but I hope I can add some value to your life, and I hope that I can give you some kind of inputs, something which will help you in your life. So Dr. Suhas, my dear friends, whoever is there on this session, but I just want to talk to you about two things, and I hope this will be very useful to all of you. The first thing I want to talk to you about is that you're all students and you have a wonderful life ahead of you. So first of all, I request you to be very excited about this journey of life. जवानी से बुढ़ापा कब हो जाता है, बचपन कब खत्म हो जाता है, हम जवानी में आ जाते हैं, फिर हमारी उम्र बढ़ती जाती है, इसका हमें पता भी नहीं चलता. तो आई थिंक यू आर इन अ ब्यूटीफुल गोल्डन पीरियड ऑफ योर लाइफ. इस लाइफ को अच्छे से एंजॉय कीजिए, खुश रहिए. व्हेन आई से एंजॉय, इसका मतलब नहीं कि हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा समय कैंटीन में बिताए, हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा समय कुछ और टाइम पास करें. मेरा कहने का मतलब वो नहीं है. मेरा कहने का मतलब है कि अच्छा खाना खाइए, जो हेल्दी खाना हो, अच्छे दोस्तों के साथ रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए, खुश रहिए. दैट्स द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. आई थिंक the most important thing in life is, and that's what the last 2 years we have learned even more deeply, is that we have to be happy in life. If you're not happy at the end of the day, you're successful, you made all the money, you have got a great career, but you're not happy for whatever reason, then what's the point? So my humble request to all of you is, the first thing I would request all of you is that I want you to be happy in life. Always be smiling, always be happy. प्यार बांटिए, मोहब्बत कीजिए, अपने आप से ज़्यादा मोहब्बत कीजिए, and take life as it comes. Don't plan too much, don't think too much. It's okay यार. I mean, a lot of people will tell you कि तुम्हारी ज़िंदगी के साथ तुम्हें ये करना चाहिए, तुम्हारी ज़िंदगी के साथ तुम्हें वो करना चाहिए. हमारे ज़माने में आत्माराम भिड़े के तुकाराम के ज़माने में हम ऐसे करते थे, हम वैसे करते थे. So it's okay. Everybody is telling you because they care for you, they love you, and they want you to do well in life, right? So my humble request to all of you, first of all, is so please be happy in life. Always be smiling, and you don't need any reason for happiness. You don't need any reason for happiness. You can be happy for just who you are, for the uniqueness that you bring to this world. You are an amazing person, you are a beautiful person. Just pat yourself on your back every day and tell yourself that I'm happy, I'm healthy, I'm rich, I'm successful, I'm peaceful, I am grateful. You can create some wonderful positive self affirmations for yourself. Right, so I said I want to talk to you about two things, but actually I want to talk to you about three things, because what I started off with was not entirely planned. Anyway, so the first thing is always be happy in life. Second is, I'm sure all of you want to be very successful in life, and success requires a lot of effort. It requires a lot of things. You have to sacrifice your comfort if you want to be successful. You cannot be comfortable and successful both at the same time. Having said that, you may still have a lot of things going for you. You may have good knowledge, you may have good skills, you may have good habits, you may have great resources. Some of them may not have great resources, but at the end of the day, what you need is a great attitude. And if you I don't know whether we'll meet again in this lifetime or not. However, I hope you'll always remember me for saying this one thing to you, that you should always carry a great attitude, a good attitude. So always be humble. Now let me give you a couple of wonderful examples of great attitude and what exactly attitude actually is. A father had two sons, elder son and younger son. The elder son was very indisciplined. एंड वो टिपिकल जो बच्चा होता है ना हमारे घर में, माँ बाप बोलते हैं पता नहीं बड़ा होके क्या करेगा, तो उस टाइप का बच्चा था, राइट, इनडिसिप्लिन. देन सेकेंडली यू हैड अ सन, द यंगर सन, हु वाज वेरी डिसिप्लिन. सो वन डे द फादर्स बेस्ट फ्रेंड कम्स होम and he asks the elder son, why are you so indisciplined? So he says, because of my father. Why because of your father? Because he says, I always saw my father to be indisciplined and not organized, not taking care of himself. So I thought, jaisa baap aisa beta. So I also decided to become like him. Oh, he said, okay. Then he asked the second son, why are you so disciplined? You are his brother? Yes. That is your father also? Yes. You have lived in the same house? Yes. You went to the same school? Yes. You went to the same college? Yes. You speak the same language? Yes. You live in the same locality? Yes. And how come you are so disciplined? So he says again, because of my father. Okay? What do you mean because of your father? He also says because of your father. You are also saying because of your father. He says, because I saw that my father was spoiling his life by being indisciplined, by being unorganized, by having bad habits, I decided I will not spoil my life. Now you see who has a better attitude, the elder son or the younger son. And both are in the same situation. So your attitude is not determined by your circumstances. Your attitude is determined by the response to your circumstances. And I can show you many people in this world who have gone through a lot of difficult circumstances, difficult times in their life. However, today they are very successful because they did not turn around and blame the situation. They did not blame life. They did not blame the circumstances. They did not blame their parents. They did not blame their teachers. They did not blame their friends. They took responsibility for their life and said, okay, this is how it is. Let me see how I can create opportunity in adversity. So let's be like the second son who has a great attitude, who is also learning from the mistakes of others. So one, you learn from the good things about others, from others, but you also learn from their mistakes. And this son was intelligent enough and he had a great attitude to learn from the mistakes of his father. Second example is a live example. Once this just goes to show just why Sachin Tendulkar is one of the greatest players, not only one of the greatest batsmen to be produced, but also one of the finest professionals, one of the finest human beings. Once Tendulkar was observing a fast bowler in his side, bowling at the nets. And he kept on bowling, but he was not getting his rhythm right. So what he did was, out of frustration, after he had bowled one delivery and the ball came back to him, he kicked the ball very hard out of frustration and sent it flying to maybe another area of the ground. Tendulkar was observing this. He went first and picked up the ball and came and gave it to this bowler and showed it to the bowler and said, your career, your life, your success is because of this ball. Can you please show some respect to this ball and not kick it like this? You see, Tendulkar had a great work ethic. He had a great attitude. He used to prepare. And look at his dedication and devotion to his craft, to his cricket, to the game. He has respect for every aspect of the game. The ball, the bat, the clothing, the shoes, the ambience, the audience, the Indian team members, the Indian public. So Tendulkar, that's why is considered a great professional, because he was like Harsha Bhogle. I heard him once say about Tendulkar that he was a master of the game, but he always played it like the student of the game. He was a master of the game, but he always played it like the student of the game. So I am a student, my dear friends. My best opportunity to learn is when I teach. So when I had to prepare for a session like this, I am also learning in the process. And I learn from all of you. And I learn from all you wonderful students and wonderful people in academia. I request you to get the best degree possible in your life. Do not give up on your education. Strive for it. Work for it and try to get a good education for yourself. Last thing I want to talk to all of you about, one aspect of attitude is also character. You may be a very successful person, but you have got that success through all the wrong means. It's not going to help you in any way. It's not going to give you peace of mind. Short-term gain is long-term pain. Short-term pain is long-term gain. So do not do anything which is not correct. Don't do what is convenient. Always do what is correct. And character is what you do when no one is watching you. Character is what you do when no one is watching you. Please remember this. So these three things I want to quickly summarize and close with one very interesting, wonderful shairi. So we spoke about the importance of being happy, the importance of developing a great attitude, developing the right attitude. I gave the example of the two sons and also Sachin Tendulkar. And of course, we spoke about what exactly character is and what is the definition of character. I started this session with happiness. So let me also end this session with happiness by telling you this little शायरी. जिंदगी में सदा मुस्कुराते रहो, जिंदगी में सदा मुस्कुराते रहो, क्योंकि मुस्कुराना जिंदगी की जरूरत है, क्योंकि मुस्कुराना जिंदगी की जरूरत है. जिंदगी को जियो इस अंदाज में, जिंदगी को जियो इस अंदाज में कि लोग आपको देखकर कहे कि वाह जिंदगी कितनी खूबसूरत है, कि लोग आपको देखकर कहे कि वाह जिंदगी कितनी खूबसूरत है. So friends, be a role model in life. Always be happy, spread happiness, bring a smile on the number of people whatever number of people you can bring in, and जिंदगी का सही मायने में अगर आप मुझसे सक्सेस पूछे तो it's how many smiles can you bring, how many more people can you make happy in life, how much can you become a Dena Bank and not a Lena Bank. So Suhas ji, once again, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you so much to the college, to the management, to Suhas ji, and to all the wonderful students who have been part of this little talk of mine. God bless you. Do take good care of yourself, and thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Hariharan ji. In fact, it's a privilege that from your busy schedule you could come.